Hello, in this video I want to show you how to adjust screensaver settings for Nvidia Shield. And to do this you will need to click on the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen. Here scroll down to the device preferences, scroll down again and you should see screensaver. Now there's a few different settings, and the first one is screensaver backdrop. Click on it to change between different wallpapers when the screensaver is on, and you can also turn off the screen entirely. When to start, you can pick after how long your TV needs to be idle to enter the screensaver, and by default it's set to 5 minutes. Let's change it to 1 hour. You can start it now and also go for a sleep mode right now, like that, and stay awake when the music is playing. You can turn on and off this feature. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.